Hey guys, so I just want to show it to you how you can separate the first name and last name into your Microsoft Excel or into your Google Sheet. Okay, so let me just copy that and put it into our Excel sheet. So there, and then if you want to split the surname, just go into the data and click the text to column. Okay, hold on. So go to data and then text to column, and then use the delimited. So and then you click on the next button, and then you need to pick what would be the trigger to separate the the variable. So we won't gonna be, it's not a tab, but it is a space there. So as you notice, it's already splitting. You can see the preview there that the first name and last name is already split. So I'm gonna hit on next and then hit the finish, and it moves straight away. So yeah, that's how easy peasy it is. And in the, let's just jump into Google Drive. It's still the same. I think it's still the same in Google Drive. Let me just go in again here, and let me copy that, put it here, and I believe it's still the same. You go to data, you click on split text to columns, and then you're gonna hit space. You can also use detect automatically, like Google G Drive Excel sheets is it is smart enough to identify it, or you can use space. There you go. That's how easy it is. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.